Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Jack here. This video will be not posted on my channel, but posted on Voltized. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a CSGO gambling website. But with a bit of extra work, you can turn it into a PUBG, Dota, TF2, any Steam item trading website like I have here. This is my website. If I just hit login, I can sign in through Steam. Just sign in there. It'll bring me to the front page. You can choose, these are the game modes. It has roulette, coin flip, jackpot, and crash. If I just go for roulette, as you can see the roulette here. I'll just bet 1,000 coins. Go here. Go. Oh, I need to refresh it before. There we go. Then just say 1,000. Put it on middle. There we go. It'll run that through one. And then we have the coin flip, where you enter the amount of coins you want to do. Choose head or tails. Go, and then people can join your lobby, and it will flip it. We've got jackpot, where people enter the amount of credits they want to enter. The higher amount of credits you put in, the more chance you have of winning. This will count down, and then you'll see if you win. Then crash as well. You guys know how crash works. 2-5 000. Auto cash out as well. Hope this crashes. Oh, look at these. They're spicy. 40, 33, 13, and 17. Oh, let's wait for this to crash. So this will go up. You put your money in. Withdraw whenever you need. Unless it crashes, of course, like that. So yeah, I won 1 million coins on jackpot. Place my bet. Then when this starts, we can just go up and withdraw it. As you can see, withdraw, and it crashes straight away. So I didn't get any profit from that. Profile tab, everything about me, the amount of won, lost, referrals, get referral codes, different amount of people that you've referred. Then you've got deposit, where you deposit your skins. I've got only that for PUBG at the moment, so I can deposit that, go straight in. Withdraw section as well. Nothing in the site at the moment. FAQ, and then log out button. That's pretty much the overview of the site, credits. So today I'll be showing you how to set this up. So what you need to do is first go to the website called Volta.com, and I recommend using Vulture because you can get some free money if you use my referral code, which I will leave down in the description. Also, before I start, if you have any problems during the setup, I recommend going to the description down in the going to the Discord server, sorry, should I say, in the description below. Click in that, and then we'll give you support in the Discord server that I made. So first things first, you want to go to servers, deploy a new server. Then you want to choose the location closest to you, in this case mine's London. Then you want to choose Ubuntu 17.04. Then you want $5 a month. Ignore all of this stuff and choose one of these. So I'm going to do CSGO site. I can type. Tut. There we go. Deploy now. Then this will install, and I'll be back when this is finished. So the VPS is finished installing. All we're going to do is just open this dashboard here. Then what you want to do, you want to install a program called Putty, which I'll leave a link for down in the description. You want to open this program up. You want to copy the IP address, paste it here, hit open. Then you want to hit yes, then type root, then copy the password from here, just hit this button, right click and hit enter. So once you're logged in, you need to grab all of these commands out of the description, which I'll have down in there for you. You just want to copy them, right click, copy, right click, paste and hit enter. That will run through the updates. Should take 2 seconds. Then you want the upgrade, apt-get upgrade, copy, right click. This will take a bit longer. You want to run through here, hit Y, and I'll be back when this is finished. So alright, that has finished installing. So you want to get apt-get install nginx, right click, copy, right click again, hit enter. Then you want to hit Y, and I'll be back when this was finished. Sorry, that's finished installing. So you want to grab this fourth command, right click, copy, paste this here as well. Hit Y again, I'll be back when that's done. There we go, that is finished installing. So you want to grab the fifth command, right click, copy, right click, paste again. Hit Y, and I'll be back when that's done. So you'll be greeted with this screen. What you want to do is just type a password that you want to store for the database. Hit enter, repeat the same password. Then that will continue running through that. Once that's finished, you want to grab the sixth command here, right click copy, right click paste that again, hit enter. Screwed that up. Don't make sure you didn't put the hash there. There we go. Then hit Y. Then it will give you this. You just want to hit enter. Then it will ask you some passwords in a couple of seconds. There we go. Then you just want to enter. Then you want to start the same password that you did earlier. Repeat it again. There we go. Should just finish up. There we go. So after they've all finished, you want to grab this command, which I'll leave down in the description, obviously. nano/edc/nginx, etc. Right click and hit enter. It'll bring this up. Then you want to hit the down key, go all the way down until you find root var www.html. You want to go here, you want to hit slash and do public. There we go. Then you want to go down to here, where it says indexes. Then you want to do index.php, hit space. Then you want to go down. Now where the location, where my cursor is at the moment, you want to delete the hashes, all of here. Apart from this one here, the one I'm leaving here. Apart from all of them, you can delete all the others. And after you've done that, you just want to go down to where this location is. Delete that one, and delete that one. Then, once you've done all that, you want to go up to where it says equals 404. You want to delete the equals 404 by just hitting the back key. Then you want to grab this piece of code, which I'll leave in the description, /index.php $query _string. Right click and paste that in. Then you want to hit Control X, you want to hit Y, and then you want to hit Enter. And after you've done that, you want to do service nginx restart. And after you finish all the commands in PuTTY, you want to hit the Windows key, then you want to search for FileZilla. I'll leave a link for this program as well down in the description. So I'm going to open that, then ignore that error. Then you want to go back to your Vultr here, while I wait for this to open. There we go. Then you want to close that, then want to go over here. Then you want to copy the IP address, paste it there. Username will be root again. Password is going to be this password again, so paste that into there. And port's going to be 22. Hit quick connect. And you should connect it up to the server. You want to go out of here, scroll down to var, www, html, then you want to just delete this file. Yes. Then I will leave a link to some files down in the description, which will just be here. It will be in a zip file, multi-game mode site. Just download that, extract it, and you have all of these files in here. You want to grab all of these files, and you want to drag them all into here, where the HTML folder is, and I'll be back once they've finished. So once all of these files have finished uploading, you can go to your IP address. You just copy the IP address, paste it, and go here. And you should get something that looks like this. So this is basically the main look of the site. As you can see, it kind of matches up with this one here. If I just expand these, and then there we go, pretty much the same. Apart from different colors, both the same. So once you've finished and you checked your site, you need to go to cd/var/www/html. Hit enter. Then you want to run this chown command, which I also have in the description. You just want to hit enter, and that should run that command. Then after you've done that command, you need to grab this sudo ln/s. You just need to grab all of this. Right click, copy, right click, and paste it. Hit enter. Make sure to just refresh the site. Make sure all of it works. Perfect. And then also after you've done that, you should just be able to go /phpmyadmin. You can access your phpmyadmin, do root, and then put your password in that you entered earlier. And then we go your access to phpmyadmin. So once you can see that your phpmyadmin works and the site actually shows up itself, like this one, like it does here, then you need to go back to FileZilla. Scroll up, do the .env, should I say, view/edit. Use a custom program. If you have Notepad++ installed, I recommend using that. If not, just use Notepad. Then I'll take that if I were you. Open it up. It should open here. Then what you need to do, you need to go to your DB password. I'm going to put my password in here, and I'll just blur that out so you can't see it, but you need to put it in this line here, line 12. Then you just want to hit save on that. Then you want to go back to your phpmyadmin and hit yes. Sorry, not phpmyadmin, sorry, FileZilla, and hit yes on there. Then you can close this file back out. Well, I'm not actually going to do that. I'm just going to minimize that. There we go. Minimize that again, sorry. What am I doing then? There we go. So once you change your .env file and put in your password in, you need to go to your phpmyadmin, log in there. I'll just do that for you again. Show you how to do it. phpmyadmin. Then I don't know, I'm auto logged in. You want to go to databases. Then you want to hit new database name. You want to type CSGO. Hit create. Then here you want to hit the import button. Then you want to choose the file. Then go to the file that was previously downloaded. So in my case, it's going to be here, and then this CSGO file. Then you just want to hit go. So once you've successfully imported that, you should be able to go to your IP address, refresh it just to make sure. Then you want to go to login. Then you want to hit sign in, and this should perfectly all log you in now. There we go, perfect. Choose the game mode. We've got roulette, coin flip, jackpot, and crash as per usual. As you can see, it still doesn't connect those, so we're going to solve that now. So to fix that, you just want to grab your domain or IP, just copy that. Then you want to go to FileZilla, bot. Then you want to go to driver.js, view/edit, and it'll bring you up to this. You just want to replace the csgoclick.com, replace it with your IP address here. Make sure you haven't got the HTTP in there though, just the IP. Then you want to replace this csgoclick as well. Remove that there, and there we go. So once you've done it, you want to grab config.js, you want to open that. Then you want to put your database password in here. So I'm just going to type that in now. So after you put your password in, you're going to need to go to this website called steamid.io. You just want to hit sign in through Steam to grab your Steam ID. Hit sign in, and it'll display your Steam ID right in front of you. Or just like this. Damn, this is old, Jesus. Anyway, let me just grab that. And then we're going to go to here. We want to put your bot admin password in here. After you put your Steam ID in there, you want to go down to csgoclick.com. Then you want to grab your IP for your site again. Just copy that. Then you want to delete this. Right click and paste it. There we go. Just delete the HTTP. And save. Not open. My bad. Close out. Save all. Apparently it did. Then you want to just say hit yes to upload the driver and hit yes to upload the config. So once you finish that, you need to install this command, which I'll put down in the description for you. Just let it run through that until it has finished. There we go. Then we need to run apt-get install node.js. Not node.js, node.js, which will be down in the description. Don't just copy and paste it. Then once you've done that, you want to go cd bot. And my bad, cd bot. Once you're in cd bot, you can do node.js, then driver. As you can see, it will say bot signed in, and then apparently it will start the site up. So there we go. Right, it says it starts up here, but it doesn't. So you need to go to your site here, wait for it to connect. And as you can see, it's not connecting. So the reason for this and to fix this is you need to go out of here, all the way back until you hit this place again. Then you want to go to resources, views. And then as you can see, you want to get all of these, select all of these. Hold up, there to there. Right click view / edit, hit yes. Okay, my bad. Okay, oh, did that wrong. Close out all of these. Hold up. It's my bad. You want to go right click, then you want to do. Yeah, okay. What you need to do here is settings. If that happens, go settings, file type associations, and then I'll put this in the description if you need it. So yeah, file type associations, just paste this bit of code here, which I'll put down in the description. And if it goes in Notepad++, you need to do that. I recommend using Notepad++, best program for that. If you search edit, hit yes, and it'll open all of these in Notepad++ here, as you can see. Then do F. Then you want to copy this. Copy. Then you want to paste this in here. Then you want to go to replace. Then you want to replace it with your site domain or site IP. In my case, I'm just going to replace it with my IP. So just copy that. Put that there. Then you replace all in open documents. As you can see, that changed it all. That's changed all of what's in here. If I just jump back here again. That's changed all of these files that are here. You want to hit save all. Then you want to just spam yes here. And there we go. All of these should have been uploaded. Now, if we go back to our site, if we control C this to stop the script, Node.js driver, bot signed in. So after you've re-uploaded all these files, you just need to go back to your website, you need to refresh. And as you can see, it is now connected. So if I just bet 10k, should do 1000, and I can just bet on whatever coin I want. So in this case, after I let it roll, it's just going to accept that. Now I'm going to hit go. After the count comes back on, as you can see, I can now bet. So that works. Coin flip also works for this. So I can just say add 1k, go, got my lobby, crash works as well. As you can see, it works here. And jackpot as well, plus 1k, go, and this will count down as it shows on my website as well. This works, and this also works. So once all of this is working, you need to go to your phpmyadmin, and you want to go to users. Let me just log back in here. As I said, you need to go to users, then you want to change your rank here. You want to change it to root, because this will give you admin, all admin permissions. So I'll go back to my website. If I just type in chat, like hit test, then right click this. Wait, and I need to refresh again, my bad. Right click, I can now give myself coins. This will be the like admin version of it. So if I give coins, I can just type how many coins I want in here. I'll go and I'll update here. So I can now like go all in on roulette if I want to. Go on crown, YOLO. And if I just go all in on crown, I'm not going to hit it obviously, so that's done. So you can give yourself root rank. So we have a few more fixes to do actually, and then we're nearly done. So referrals, and if, as you can see, it says put your domain in the name. If you just hit click check name, you say csgo.on1.com. To fix that, you want to go to FileZilla. You want to get out of here. Hit app, HTTP, controllers, then API controller.php. Hit view/edit. Then I want to hit Control F, then replace. So you just go click and then replace all. Hold on, my bad. Oh, okay, my bad. It's not CS:GO click. It's CS:GO on. CS:GO N1. There we go. Then replace all. 2 occurrences were replaced, so here, and 1 up here somewhere. Then if you just hit save on that, hit yes here. Then you just want to restart this again. Node.js driver. And the bot sign in, and then it'll go back here. Refresh this. And as you can see, if you hit check name, yeah, and it puts your IP there, or domain name, obviously. Then as you can see, if you hit join Steam group, it's not going to search for that Steam group, obviously, because we haven't put our Steam group in there. To change that, you need to go to steamcommunity.com / I'm pretty sure it's /groups. Then you want to do this. You just want to put steamcommunity.com /groups, then the group name, or like the link to the group, members list XML $XML equals 1. Hit enter. And as you can see, the group ID 64 is here. You just want to copy that. Or you can't copy it in my case, so you just want to copy it. Basically, you just want to right click, search Google for it, then go here, right click and copy it. Then you just want to go back to API controller.php. Just scroll down a bit. Wait, scroll off, sorry. Am I in the wrong file? I am not in the wrong file. It's here. Line 93, you want to replace clan and put in your own one. So you just paste that there and hit save. Re-upload that file again. Then, as you can see, then if I just refresh that, if I'm part of the Steam group, check join Steam group, it will check it and it will give me the coins back if I am in the Steam group or not. So, once we've done all that, we can now set up the bot to send the deposits and the withdrawals. So, first things first, you're going to need to download a program called SDA, or Steam Desktop Authentication. Just search SDA Steam. And this will pop up. Steam Desktop Authenticator, you need to download it. Then I'll open my one. Windows, SDA. Then what you need to do is open it, then just set up your account, the bot account that you have, set up in here. It takes like 5 minutes to set up. Then you'll be left with an MA file. So what you need to do, you need to grab the bot Steam ID. In my case, I'm going to use my second account. Actually. It's going to be this account, there we go. So, once you set all of that up, you need to open this up. Let me just double check if this is the correct account. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's perfect. So in this MA file, which you can find in the SDA MA files, you want to grab... hold on 1 second. Okay, then I just want to... Hold on, let me just change this. I'll be right back. So yeah, once you're in this MA file, you want to grab the shared secret, which is here. I'll blur mine out, obviously, and then you want to go along to where the identity secret is, and try and get back. And then you want to blur the identity secret out as well. I'm not blur it out, sorry. You want to copy your identity secret as well. I'm going to blur mine out. Same with the shared secret. I'm going to blur mine out as well. Then you want to go back to config.js, which is here. And wrong one actually, my bad. That's that one, so I want this one. So, once you've done that, you want to grab the bot Steam ID, which is over here. And I'm just going to enter all of my bots information, and I'll be right back. I have entered all of my bot ID stuff here. I'm obviously going to blow up my stuff out because I don't want to access my bot. So after I've done that, I'm just going to hit yes to re-upload it. There we go. Once you've done that, you need to go back to putty. You need to control C it. Then you want to restart the Node.js driver, and to tell if you've done this correctly, so you say bot signed in, then the session cookie set. As you can see, that's it. So that means the bot's all signed in and it's all working. So let me just go back to roulette, double check if it is, if this starts online. Yes, it is. Perfect very much. Perfect very much. Thank you very much. So now you've done that, the deposit should work perfectly. I have equipment, but obviously I can't deposit it because I have I've got crap items. They won't be able to be deposited. If you actually had good items, you'd be able to hit all of that and hit deposit, and it will send you a trade offer. And then once it's in the bot's inventory, you would hit store, refresh store. I've got nothing in the bot's inventory at the moment for CSGO. You just like spam all of it and hit withdraw. So once that's finished, I'm going to tell you now how to make the site your own, basically pretty much. So you just want to go to FileZilla. You want to go to all the way out here. You want to go public. You want to go CSS, and then here is basically where you can edit everything you want. So to change the color of this blue, what you want to do, you just want to get maybe a Chrome extension, but I'll probably just tell you the color of the blue itself. You want to search this, which I'll put down in the description, 00FFE4, and you just want to replace that with any color you want. So once you have right click or you search edit, I'm just going to get a color picker. There we go. Now I've got CSS open, it will look like this. You want to hit Control F. Then you want to hit a paste on that. Then you want to grab another color. In my case, I'm going to do like a massive cool pink sort of color. Then you just want to grab the hex code of that. Don't have the hash of it. Screwed up that a bit. Another F on the end of that, I'm pretty sure it was. Yep. Then you want to hit replace all. 79 occurrences were replaced. Cross that out. And hit save on that. And hit yes. Then go back to the website. Hit F5 and most of this stuff should now be pink. Okay, I obviously broke something. Great. Let me just double check where I broke something. Shift F5 the site, and as you can see now, everything's in that really cool pink sort of color. Now to change logos and stuff, you want to go out of here, and then you want to go images, and this is where you can change all the logos and stuff. You want to change the official.png. So I'm just going to change it to the logo I already have on my other site. So as you can see, I just uploaded a new icon to it. So if I just shift F5 the site again, as you can see, it changed the logo to the one I have here. So that's pretty much how to customize the site, how to set it up completely, deposit, all of that stuff working. You can also change the picture of that, so I have distant spinners like my one does. You can completely customize the site. That should pretty much be the basic setup for the whole site. So if you need any help at all, make sure to join the Discord server down in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. I've been Jack, and I'm out.